The movement of planets around the Sun is one of the fundamental elements of the structure and dynamics of the solar system. Planets move around our central star on elliptical orbits that conform to the laws of planetary motion formulated by Johannes Kepler.
The movement of planets around the Sun is described by three Kepler's laws. 1. The orbit of each planet is an ellipse with the Sun at one of its foci. 2. The orbital velocity of the planet changes such that the line connecting the planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal intervals of time. 3. The squares of the orbital periods of the planets are proportional to the cubes of their average distances from the Sun.
Each planet's orbit is characterized by different parameters such as perihelion, the closest distance to the Sun, aphelion, the farthest distance from the Sun, and orbital velocity. Orbital velocity depends on the planet's mass and distance from the Sun. The closer to the Sun, the greater the orbital velocity.
As planets move around the Sun, they also rotate around their own axes. The rotational movement of the planet affects the length of day and night as well as the climate on that planet. An example is the Earth, which rotates around its own axis in about 24 hours, causing regular changes between day and night.
Not only planets move around the Sun, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and other objects in the solar system also orbit our star, and their movements are also governed by Kepler's laws and gravitational forces. Studying the movement of these objects helps to better understand the processes that occur in the solar system and the history of its evolution.